Today we're talking about the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem states that the exterior, which is the outside angle of a triangle, equals the sum, which means add, of the two remote, farthest away interior, inside angles. This example is asking us, what is the measure of angle A? So we set angle A plus 39 equal to the exterior angle of 116. Subtract 39 from both sides, and we get a measure of 77 degrees. Here's a more complex example, but the process is similar. This time we're solving for x, so we set the two inside angles equal to the exterior angle or the outside angle. We get an answer of x equals 14 after we solve this multi-step equation. Hope this helps explain the exterior angle theorem. If you still need help or have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.